Hey everyone, so I'm really excited to show you this new pack COV LED lights strip that I just got. I'm going to install it right here under my dining bar table to create this cozy ambient space. I'm really excited to open it to see how they look and how they work, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so the first thing we have are the strip lights, and inside the box we also have the remote controller, the power cable. These are the headset clips in case you want to, secure the strip LED light. And finally, we have the user manual with all the instructions and the QR code to download the app. So we have these two strip lights, and they are 32.8 feet long. The strip provides flicker-free eye protection lining with a smooth dimming and adjustable color temperature from warm to cold, so it's perfect for any mood or activity. And this is how it finally looks, the LED strip lights. Look how beautiful it is. I definitely like how the strip light kind of get lost in the table, so it doesn't show the strip, but the light is so bright that it just looks perfect. And something really cool about it is that we can control it with this control. So let's try to turn it off. Oh, and on. Different modes. We can also adjust the lighting, to be more bright or less bright. See? You can also set times 10, 30 or an hour. And you can also connect it to your Smart Life app and just set the temperature. Like this is really easy. Then adjust the brightness, set up a timer or a schedule. Also the music option, that this will hear to the music to the beat, and the lights will turn on and turn off depending on the music. So I'm gonna put some music so we can try that feature.